Well, happy Wednesday to everybody. It's morning right now as I'm talking, so I was going to say good morning, but it could be good afternoon when you're watching this. So thanks for tuning in and taking a minute to listen to Wayne's words on wellness for Wednesday here. We'll pick up talking about CBD next week. I will remind you that we are doing a CBD seminar next Thursday, the 16th. Our 2 p.m. session is full. The 6 p.m. session is still open. So you can go online, sign up for that to get all the details about CBD. And we will pick up talking more about CBD next week. That said, I wanted to take a little interlude to talk about something. We've been having a shortage of ADHD medicines, the Adderalls of the world, the methylphenidates, the Ritalin, especially Adderall. And why I mentioned that, and kind of some strains come in, some strains go out. But I mentioned that because I think we have a good option for you from the supplement standpoint, and I wanted to share that with you. So if you're struggling to find a good option for ADHD medicine, looking for something to get you through till this manufacturing issue resolves itself, or want to convert to something more natural, Natural Creations makes a product called Focus, FCS, CP, and HP, and we'll talk about the difference here in a second. But it's a homeopathic, meaning they're using small amounts. They're made in FDA facilities. They're not necessarily an FDA official drug. Just like I'd look at it more as a supplement, and so it's not a drug. Not going to do harm. Can only help. But the Focus CP and HP are designed, one, the CP for kids, the HP for adults. The CP is alcohol-free. The HP does have some alcohol in it. It just has to do with the extraction process and everything for it. We have very specific directions on how to take this and getting response. Basically, for the CP, which is cherry flavored, you would take that in the morning and you'll do it the number of drops for however old the kid is. So if the child, son or daughter is 6, you want to do 6 drops. And then you can do a second dose in the afternoon as well. For adults and teenagers, doing 10 drops once or twice a day of the HP should help with the focus. So wanted to mention that again to you. I know there's this shortage out there. I know sometimes we're having a tough time supplying Adderall for our regular patients, but I wanted to give you an option from the natural supplement world. So there's other things we could talk about, but this is something we've seen over the years to have some pretty good results. So thanks for tuning in. If you have some questions, stop in. We do have these little info sheets right beside the product. They're in our homeopathic section or kids section. And if you have any questions or comments, just let us know. Thanks for tuning in.